Today we are discussing about the diagnosis of breast cancer. It is essential to diagnose breast cancer at a very early stage because the lives can be saved. Most of the patients in our country usually present at a very late stage. More than 50% of the patients present at stage 3 and 4, which is very difficult to save. So, early diagnosis will lead to good quality of life for cancer patients. It is the most common cancer in women, followed by cervical and oral cancer. It is very essential to diagnose breast cancer by following methods. First is self breast examination, wherein the patient can stand in front of the mirror and can put their hands on the sides of the hips and see the size of the breast, the contour, whether any changes or skin or nipple changes are there. With the palm of the finger and the tips of the finger, they can always examine the breast for any lump. Next, we have radiological diagnosis, wherein mammography is done. Mammography is nothing but an X-ray of the breast where any lump can be detected. If the patient is a young patient, then we do ultrasound of the breast to detect any abnormal lump. Nowadays, another thermal screening is also done, which is in the mass diagnosis we can do in various camps we can do. So, thermal diagnosis can also be done for any breast lumps. Now, the patient comes to pathology department where we do FNAC of the breast lump, wherein a needle is put, some cells and some fluid is taken out. These cells are stained and examined under the microscope. This gives almost 70% to 80% of the diagnosis whether we are dealing with a benign breast lesion or a malignant breast lesion. In certain cases where the breast lump is deep seated or it is not accessible or not seen or not very well felt, then we do a guided FNAC in which ultrasound or CT guided FNAC of the breast lump is done. Then we do biopsy of the lump, wherein a small tissue of the breast lump or the mass is taken out and it is subjected to histopathological examination. This gives a good clue about the type of the cancer and the grade of the cancer. Now this biopsy tissue is also subjected to various hormonal examination, ER, PR and HER2. So these are the various methods wherein the breast cancer or the lump is early detected and subjected to treatment. So one should be very careful and aware just to catch the disease at a very early stage in the stage 1 and 2.